Welcome to Lesson 1. In this lesson, you'll learn what TensorFlow.js is and run your first machine learning code directly in a web browser. TensorFlow is an open source machine learning library. It gives developers tools for working with data, learning patterns from examples, and making predictions. TensorFlow can power face detection, face recognition, image classification, speech recognition, text processing, and data prediction. We'll build towards these applications, one lesson at a time. TensorFlow.js brings TensorFlow to JavaScript. The program can run inside a web page and work with browser features such as images, video, and the webcam. We will add TensorFlow.js with a CDN. CDN means Content Delivery Network. The browser loads the library from an internet address, so we can start without downloading or installing it. Place this script tag inside the head of the HTML page. It loads TensorFlow.js version 4.22. After it loads, the library is available through the JavaScript object named tf. A tensor is a container of numbers. It may look like a JavaScript array, but TensorFlow can perform fast mathematical operations on it. Here, tensor 1 of D creates a one-dimensional tensor. Now, create two one-dimensional tensors. The first contains 1, 2, and 3. The second contains 10, 20, and 30. Both tensors have the same shape with 3 values each. Call add on the first tensor and pass the second tensor. TensorFlow adds values in matching positions. 1 plus 10 is 11, 2 plus 20 is 22, and 3 plus 30 is obviously 33. The answer is still a tensor. Data string reads these values. Converting these values to an array gives the final output: 11, 22, and 33. Tensors use memory. When the calculation is complete, code disposed on each tensor that is no longer required. This becomes especially important in programs that process many camera frames. You have loaded TensorFlow.js, created two tensors, added their values, and read the result. Our first TensorFlow.js program is working. Next, we will learn how an image becomes a tensor and inspect its shape. Continue learning TensorFlow.js with Champak or at Learn with Champak. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you.